GenStone is a do-it-yourself friendly system of panels, corners, ledgers, and trim that can transform your steel building in hours. Start by attaching furring strips even with the height of the metal ribs throughout your install area. Next, apply construction adhesive to the furring strips and ribs where the panels will come in contact with the building. Attach the corner with screws along the shiplap edge where the panel meets the furring strips or ribs. Caulk along the shiplap edge before positioning the next panel. Attach the panel with screws across the shiplap edge and in the face of the panel where needed. Caulk the shiplap and fill any visible fastener holes with GenStone color match caulking. Repeat this process for the next panel and again for each panel throughout the run. Cut the panels to size as you approach openings, doors, windows, and other building components. Finish the edge with our 12-inch return panels, or cut the panel flush with the end of the wall and touch up any unpainted material with your paint kit. Attach the corner ledger with screws and fill in the fastener holes with color match caulking. Repeat this process with all ledgers across the top of the panels. Now, work from right to left to continue the wainscot. Ledgers can be cut to size with a handsaw and painted where the cut was made. With GenStone, you can install over 3 square feet per panel quickly and easily with ordinary tools. Our Made Easy system goes from the box to the wall in minutes, making a complete transformation like this project possible for anyone to accomplish in just hours, without the mortar and without the mess. Finish your project by installing metal closure strips behind the ledgers to ensure a watertight connection between GenStone and your steel building. Closure strips are necessary unless you plan to install the GenStone from the grade to the roof line of your building.